How you doing? Carl Calabrese. I'm here with Bryce. Bryce is with us today for his shoulders, his knees. He come to us about 3 years ago. Talk to us about kind of what life was like for you prior to coming to see us.
Prior to coming to see you, because of previous injuries, I had fallen 3 times. So one of them hurting the shoulder, one of them hurting my back and hip again, one of them hurting my knees. And therapy helped, but we did the laser, which seemed to help. And I'm so much better at this point than I was when I came in because I did the VFit and the weight loss program. And those were the things that seemed to really make a difference, losing, what, 25 pounds?
You've done a great job. I mean, you look like a different man, to be honest. It was amazing.
I mean, that made all the difference in how my knees were reacting and how much pain I got.
You went from the traditional model of pills, surgeries, and everything to you made an investment in yourself with the weight loss and the laser type therapy. And you said something profound to us, I think, before we turned on the camera. You said that nothing's really helped you to the capacity as what this was, right? If anyone's contemplating, should I make that investment in myself or not in myself, what would be your recommendation?
My recommendation would be yes. And the best thing is if you're overweight, get the DRNA, understand why you're gaining weight, and follow the recommendations for the diet. All the difference in the world.
We know what your genetic makeup is based on the DNA swab, so we were able to make a customized diet specifically for you to help lose the weight and drop it down 25 pounds, sorry, don't want to cut you short, as well as the red light laser. So amazing.
And then the exercise program, the PT, or not the PT, but the VFit.
Total body. PT, focus on one thing, VFit.
The 12 weeks of VFit, that made all the difference in the world because we were able to pinpoint, especially the muscles in the legs, and help them.
Cool. Bryce, thank you.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you.